Hello partners. Today we are going to learn how to generate mailback reports which will help in providing instantaneous services for your investors. Here we are going to learn about investor static data, that is WBR4. To generate this, we will click on to www.cansonline.com. Here, click on Services for Distributors RIA. Click on Distributor Mailback Services. Provide the email ID which is registered in AMFI records. Select the mutual fund for which you require the report. Click on WBR4, that is Investor Static Details with Balance. This report contains all the information for the folio created in the period where static details have changed. You may need to view the account statement of each client for checking details like bank mandate registered, email ID, nominee details, contact details, etc. maintained in the folio. The single feed gives complete information and the same can be used for complete client servicing. Click on the folio number for which you require the data. Select the period for which you would want the report. You can give a password. Since it is an encrypted statement, you will have to remember the password given for the document. You have an option to receive the report immediately or overnight.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.